Hello, in this occasion I'm going to show how to compound a non-sterile ointment. In this occasion I'm going to compound the, the non-sterile compounding for Marjorie Davidson. She is the patient. We got here the RX and the directions for the compounding. So I'm going to compound an ointment base of 54 grams, which is equivalent to 2 ounces approximately. Um, could be more or less, but the median is 54 grams. For that, we're going to use our base ointment, and after that, we're going to add 2% nitroglycerin. So this will be 6.4 grams of nitroglycerin and or 6.6 as maximum of nitroglycerin, but we're going to try to do no more than 6.4 or 6.5. So we're going to start with the hand washing before starting the compounding. But before the hand washing, I want to show you the materials. The materials what I have. In this case, I have the 2% nitroglycerin. I have the base ointment. We're going to mix with this. I have the empty jar, which is this. I have the scale for measurements or for scaling the nitro and the ointment base. I have the spatula. I'm going to use the spatula to mix the nitroglycerin 2% with the ointment base. I have the alcohol pads to clean all my material before and after of using. I have this container also to scale any of the ingredients, but in this case I'm going to use only the paper because it's lighter than the container, I guess. So to have more approximate to the weight of the ingredients what I need to mix. I have the non-latex gloves. So after washing my hands, I'm going to proceed to use the non-latex gloves. And I have here the pre-printed label already, so I can put it after mixing and fill it in the empty jar. So I'm going to start performing hand washing. For that, I'm going to take one piece of paper to open the faucet until I got the enough water. Go to try. Soft and soft. Fingers downward to the sink, not touching the sink with a cloth, with my cloth. In circular motion, I wash my hands up and down in the middle. One important thing, in this case I forgot to take my jewelry off. So I'm taking it off now and keep washing my hands. Remember, this needs to be performed for minimum 1 minute or 2 minutes. In this case, we're going to do it less than that, but we're going to assume that the 2 minutes hand washing is being performed already to make the video shorter. Take one more time a piece of paper. Dry my hands. Not rubbing, only tapping. You can get more if it's not enough. So you can put the gloves on easily when the hands are completely dry. So one more paper, and I close the faucet. Goes to trash. Well, I'm going to start with the scale. Sorry, I'm going to wear my glasses on, my gloves on. I'm sorry. I think I am a little bit nervous in front of recording the video. Sorry for that. So once I don the glasses, once I don the gloves in my hands, I'm going to start with this scale and measuring the materials. But before of that, I have to clean all my material first. Even if it's the first time I'm using these materials, isn't being used before. It's the first time, but anyway, I need to clean it with the alcohol pads. So I'm cleaning everything. I'm going to clean the spatula also. I'm going to use more alcohol pads for the rest of the materials to avoid any contamination or anything. Even the paper with alcohol. Ready to use. I'm going to use more alcohol pads for cleaning. Like this. I prefer to do it both sides. Once I got the paper clean, I will proceed to open the scale. You see here it's open. It's on. It's on. And in just a second, we'll be ready to use. So we have to wait a little bit until the scale gets ready. Now it's ready. Now the scale is ready to use. Because I'm moving it, it has a numbers, but if I put it in the flat surface, it comes, it turns in zero. I'll show you so you can see. So it's 0.0 and will be in grams. Now I'm going to start with the ointment base. It has to be 64 or 65 as a maximum grams. For some reason my scale turns off faster. Okay, and that is exactly the amount what I need. So this is the amount what I need. We're going to put this in the side, and we're going to start and do the same with the nitroglycerin. What I need, it's going to be, one more time, 6.6 grams. Of nitro. And 4.8, 5.3, 5.8, or a little bit more, 6.2, 6.5. Once I got this, I'll show you. So you can see 6.5 of nitro. So once we got that, we're going to use paper for mixing. We're going to use the spatula to empty it from the small paper to the big paper. Same thing with the base ointment. And we're going to start mixing like this. It has to be well mixed. This side to other side. Once we got very well mixed the nitro 2% with the ointment base, we got it. So we got everything mixed. The next step is open our empty jar and start transferring the ointment from the paper to the jar. Everything and as much you can with the same spatula. We do this. And we got everything in the jar. We're going to close the jar and we got the ointment compounded. The next step is take the pre-printed what I'm supposed to be printed from the system. We're going to put it in the jar. It's a little bit bigger, but we're going to put it here like this. So right now I am labeling it. So it's labeled. It's labeled. The VUD will be 30 days after mixing. If today is May 12th, this ointment will be expired in 30 days after today. So in June 12th, this ointment is expired. In June 13, it's not supposed to be used anymore. It's expired completely. Okay, so after that, this is ready for the patient to pick up. I'll leave it here. Once I done, as a last step, I have to proceed to clean all the materials what I used. So in this case, I'm going to start with the scale and the alcohol pad. I'm going to clean it up, everything for the next time. This is clean already. I'm going to use another alcohol pad to clean my spatula. This is not a discardable spatula because it's metallic and durable, so it's clean for the next time. I'm going to use another alcohol pad for I'm going to clean the outside of the ointments. The nitro and the base 2. I didn't reuse this, and the papers what I used are discardable, so it's going to the trash. So that's all for today. One more time, thank you for watching.